Hi guys, if your doorbell isn't working or you are installing a small doorbell, you may need to find the transformer. So in this guide, you are going to learn where it is actually located and how you can test it in 2026. Now, a doorbell transformer reduces high voltage power to low voltage for your doorbell system. It's a small metal box which is connected to your home's electrical wiring. So you need to first of all check near your electrical panel or breaker box first. Then you need to simply look in the garage, basement or attic. In many homes, it's mounted on the junction box or attached to the side of the panel. Now, if you can't find it near the panel, you can just simply look behind or above the indoor chime unit. Sometimes the transformer is installed nearby in order to reduce the wiring distance. In some houses, it may be inside the closet or near the furnace or along exposed wiring in utility areas. So you can also follow the doorbell wires if visible, and they often lead you back to the transformer. So you can also use a multimeter set to AC voltage and touch four probes to the two screw terminals on the transformer. You should read the around 16 to 24 volts AC, and if there is no reading, a transformer may be faulty. So thanks for watching.